Hey guys, Glen Murray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're brand new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And you can always message me here if you have any questions. What I'm reviewing today is Philip Johansson's 7-figure system or 7-figure accelerator. It has a couple different names. It's sold on multiple platforms. I think it's now done 40 million in sales, and a lot of people are like, "Oh, it's scammy." It's no, it's not. I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna show you what's inside, and also, guys, I got to be honest. This has really changed my life from what I've learned in here and how I'm able to generate. And I'm not exaggerating, hundreds and hundreds of leads on Instagram and sales daily, and I'm sending using the exact training and everything. All right, so this is the sales page, and you don't have to use this. You can actually promote any product you want. In fact, I've got a funnel running to another product on JVZoo using the exact same training that I learned here, and then what that funnel does is it goes into other high ticket products. So you can really use this for anything, and you can apply the same thing if you're selling beauty, maybe a beauty course or any kind of course. You can just apply all the same logic and training and be able to do this using that. All right, so this is the sales page. 90% done for you online system makes regular people quit their 9 to 5, get out of debt, and spend more time with their loved ones. So it truly is 90% done for you if you use his funnel to promote his product. Totally done. If you want to promote another product, you would just basically clone the funnel and change it to content that is relevant to whatever your niche is. All right. So what's really cool about this too is a lot of products, like 99% of products, make you have to go get a landing page builder in order to use it. This doesn't. They actually build the system that you get with theirs, like the done for you system. It's actually built on their ClickFunnels, so you don't have to have a ClickFunnels subscription at all. And the only thing you're going to need is Aweber. Now, as a bonus, I've got a hack that I can send you that you actually can. You don't even have to use ClickFunnels or Aweber. Just so you say. So if you want to get it through my link, then I can give you that hack. Like, the system isn't the only thing. That's just the mechanics. Really, the beef. Let me show you. Actually, let me just get it. So it's all delivered in school. So here's the back office. So you have a start here. You have a 7-figure accelerator, and this is where all the modules are on everything, guys. This is hours and hours of training, and it's not fluff. This is actually what's working right now, what's current, what's relevant. There's also live training. You can see this is the most live training any group I've ever belonged to. You get so much live training, but what I mean by live, you're in a Zoom, you can put your hand up, you talk to Phil, you talk to the other coaches. It's amazing. So they also have the 7-figure accelerator, which is the brain training that you're going to dive into. Now, personal branding, this is huge. This is how you really break out. Once you've mastered sort of the logistics of making content and starting to get an audience, you go into personal branding, and that's where it's huge. This one they just added, it's AI lessons, so it really teaches you how to start using AI to get the most out of it. Show you how to set up your home studio. They have a done for you content bank, so you can go in there and you can actually get content that's done for you. This is a Quantum Leap framework. It's a mastermind. It works really well. They also have a whole module on faceless accounts and how to do. If you want to just do faceless, you can do faceless completely. There's facts. There's the live. So every live call is recorded. Now these aren't locked, but what's cool is in this group is you get to as you move up and participate in the community, you get to unlock these courses, which is really, really cool. All right, let me go back to the sales page. So you learn how to leverage the 7-second attention economy loophole. 7 seconds, guys. This is what we're doing. I'm actually leveraging YouTube and Instagram. I make the same videos. YouTube is a lot different than Instagram. Instagram, I have lots of videos that have gone viral, over 1 million views, using this exact training. So YouTube, not quite. I'm almost at 10,000 followers, so that's really cool. And it's getting there. Well, I'll get one that goes, and then it'll be huge. time-wise, so at first, the first 2 weeks, you're probably going to spend a lot of time going through all the learning. But once you have it set up, and once you're actually going and going through the modules, I mean, once you've set up and you've got your system going, it's literally a couple hours a day. Like, I just basically post, I have everything automated, everything goes out. They show you how to set up all your automation. All you need to do is just log into, once you've uploaded your video for the day or your 2 videos for the day, you just need to log into Instagram and basically answer some messages. There's going to be lots of it automated, but some people are just going to like say, hey, I need this. So cost wise, it's not cheap. Okay. This is a $2,500 course, and it's well worth it. Now, that being said, it's a one time. I'm not sure if it's for the year or it's one time for the training, but if you don't want to stay in after a year, I don't know if it charges you again after a year. I've only been in it since November, so that's just my caveat to you. Now, what I've done for my bonus is, like I said, I've got a hack that you can actually not have to. You can use a free funnel builder and stuff, and I've got lots of funnels that you can use in that. And also, I've got my own Telegram group, which I and my own school. And I will add you, if you come into Philip's program, I'm going to add you to my school, and I'll add you to my Telegram. You go to message me, of course. I have lots of people that have joined that just haven't messaged me to do that. And then you have access to me pretty much 24/7. I mean, I'm on the west coast of North America in Canada, so my time window that I help people is usually between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. kind of thing. So that's my time thing. But you can always message me, and I'll message you back in the Telegram group. And then lots of people put in stuff they say, oh, I want to learn how to do this. So then what I will do is I'll go make a video for that, and then I'll share it in the group so they can do it, and then we can discuss the video. So do I recommend this? I absolutely do. I think Philip is one of the top affiliate marketers. The guy is a machine. He knows how to motivate people. It's not for the faint of heart. You're not going to get coddled. You're going to get actually trained, and he's going to tell you the steps you need to do, the coaching, all that stuff. It's really worthwhile. And like I said, you can take this training and you can apply it to any product, any affiliate product out there. If you have a coaching program, you can apply the same principles and bring people into your coaching program. If you have a small agency, social media agency, do the same thing. If you're promoting something else, you can use this training to really do it. And what's crazy, guys, is the testimonies he has. It's phenomenal. Like there's so many. There's thousands and thousands of people in the group, and they're on there. They're active. They're communicating. Like, I'm in a bunch of school groups, and this is by far, it's 10 times the activity of any of all the other groups combined. So that's why that's a really active community, and people are getting stuff done. All right, so that is the review. So if you want to get it, I'll put a link to the landing page, and then you can go through the funnel. And then I'll also put, if you just want to go get it direct, I'll put my actually just message me, and I'll send, if you're like, Glen, I want to join you, I want to follow you, I want to be mentored by you, I want to get Philip's program, then message me and I'll send you a direct link to the product in Copilot for you to pick it up. And you can do it in payments. I think it costs a little bit more, but you can break it into 3 payments. That's on the sales page. I've seen it go on sale once, but I don't know if it'll ever go on sale again. But whatever it is, I'm here to, if you want to jump into this and learn, I'm here to work with you. So I highly recommend go pick it up. The link will be in the description below. You'll get to this page. It'll take you to a video that you can watch. After that video is over, then there'll be a link to click to the product button. But if you just want to jump straight to the product and get into it, instead of going through the video, then what you want to do is you want to message me, and I'll send you a direct link. All right, guys, thank you. This has been my, where's my screen here? Sorry, I noticed I was looking down here. This is where my microphone is, that's why. This has been my review of the 7-Figure Accelerator System by Philip Johansson. And definitely make sure you hit the subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you want to see more videos from me, up in the corner there's some other ones. And I'm trying to do review videos 1 or 2 a week. There's another product, low ticket product coming out next week. I'll probably do a review for. But really, guys, if you're going to get into affiliate marketing and you really want to start making crazy life-changing money, I highly recommend going and getting this training and applying it either to reselling his mentorship and training or selling whatever you want. It's really up to you. It's really the training that is core to being able to build a business and live the life exactly that you want to live on your terms without having to have a 9 to 5 or all that kind of stuff. I guess I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.